the sky shook under the weight of the storm, and the homes we knew became broken and worn. We seen lives turning one instance calls. In the dust we found footprints of kindness and hands. Communities gathering, making fearless plans.
The storm may have shaken us, but we're still here.
This anthem ain't just words, it's the hands that we lend. From the ground to the sky we rebuild, we ascend.
Together we stand when the night won't die.